Question number 1 says that find the division of the given fractions or a whole number and a fraction in each of the given bits. So before we start doing that, we'll first try to understand how to divide two fractions or a whole number and a fraction. So if we have two fractions, let's say A by B, which is to be divided by C by D, we can write that as A over B times the reciprocal of the second fraction. So that will be D over C, which we have got by inverting or flipping the fraction. Now with this method, we'll start solving the given bits. The first bit that we have is 12 divided by 3 over 4. So 12 can be written as 12 over 1 as a fraction. Put a multiplication sign and then we flip the second fraction. So 3 over 4 becomes 4 over 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. We get the answer as 16. Coming to the second bit, we have 14 divided by 5 over 6. So the reciprocal of 5 over 6 is 6 over 5. Multiplication of these two gives us the product as 84 over 5. Now coming to the third bit, we have 8 to be divided by 7 over 3. So the reciprocal of 7 over 3 is 3 over 7. And that gives us the final answer as 24 over 7. The fourth bit is 4, which is to be divided by 8 over 3. The reciprocal of 8 over 3 is 3 over 8. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. We get the final answer as 3 over 2. Now we'll go on to the next set of bits. In the fifth bit, we have 3, which is to be divided by 2 1/3. So 2 1/3 in improper fraction will be 7 over 3 and its reciprocal will be 3 over 7. So the product of 3 and 3 over 7 is 9 over 7, and that is the answer for the fifth bit. Coming to the last bit, which is the sixth bit of this question, we have 5, which is to be divided by 3 4/7. So improper fraction of 3 4/7 would be 25 over 7. Now to do the division, we write 5 times the reciprocal of 25 over 7, which is 7 over 25. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So the final answer that we get for the sixth bit is 7 over 5. And this is how we solve this problem.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.